My biggest song to date is called You and I by Diego Gonzalez. And that song has over 110 million plays across all platforms. This is the Muso AI for the song, so you can see it. It says 95, but there are many YouTube views that are not accounted for. And people ask me like how I got that quote unquote placement. And the answer is that it's not a placement. So basically it went this way. I made a guitar loop and I made a beat out of it. But then I listened to the loop and the beat and I thought that actually that loop was like way too good for what I did with it. So I took my pride away, took that loop, sent it to one of my friends, Piper Beats. And then Piper put it on his YouTube channel and it became like his biggest beat with like over 1.5 or 1.3 million views. And then what happened is that many people used it, and one of those people was that kid that blew up on TikTok. And basically when that happens, you actually end up, for example, making more money than if a big artist uses your beat right away. Because when a big artist just stumbles on your beat and they want to use it, they kind of bully you into deals. But when you have a small artist that like becomes big out of your beat, you have a much better deal. And now, for example, a friend of mine that works in a different industry asked me if it was like luck. And yeah, in a sense, yes, I told him that it was luck, but then in order to get that lucky, I actually had to put out 800 beats before. So yeah, it's luck. But I think that if you, I think Tate said that, he said, if you take a shot every day, you will get lucky eventually. And you need to get lucky one time. So I agree with that in terms of music placements, YouTube views, sales, all of that bullshit. I think it's very important. And that's one thing. And also another thing to keep in mind is that actually that happened to me after I quit making music full time. So like I made music full time for many years. And then after that, I came back to the game because of that placement. So that placement kind of dragged me back in the game. So I know this person used my beat and like the song got very popular, and automatically I knew that, okay, there is something to do here again. But those beats were just built and they were working for me the whole time. So what I want to tell you is that if you don't know where you're going, but you're going somewhere, you go further than you not doing anything, for sure.